is Nancy Ebere coming back with another wonderful video, the best way you can make money on Bitcoin. If you are new here, subscribe, hit the bell and share me out to your friends. For my old subscriber, I really thank you so much for your support. The best way you can make money on Bitcoin. Everyone wants to make money on Bitcoin. Without it, you cannot survive in this modern world. Like this modern world, especially people that is in Nigeria, like there is no job, and you want to invest, you want to make money, like you want to invest money. The best way that you can invest money is through like Bitcoin, but there are many scammers on it, like people that can scam you. But if you get the right contacts, you can really make money through Bitcoin. There are several ways for you to make money, and one of the best Bitcoin is a digital currency that you can make money easier for you to make a transaction. But also you can earn money, so you can make money easy on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is very, very nice for you to invest. Like me now, I don't save money again on bank, because for you to save money in the bank, sometimes they will charge you. They have deducted 15 naira from your account. And I'm not doing any business, so if I leave the money there, I'll be using it to load card, use it to buy many things. So for me, if the best way for me to save my money is through Bitcoin, and it's really helping me. Like I saved Bitcoin 10,000 naira. I know how much I'm earning, but I have a target what I want to use that money to do. So I leave that money there for me to know whether it's real, and it's very, very real. Start a Bitcoin as a business. Some people use it to pay a salary. Like some company, they save their salary payment on Bitcoin. Every month they withdraw it and share to their workers. So Bitcoin is real, but it depends the kind of contact that you have. It depends the kind of person that you met for the first time. That is another one. Is Bitcoin trading. When it comes to earn money with Bitcoin, the most popular opinion to Bitcoin trading is for you to refer a buyer and seller, like buying and selling. Bitcoin have various rent with your objective to make some profit, and there are numerous online Bitcoin trading platforms. Like there are many numerous and many Bitcoin, like through Trust Wallet, trading, BTC, smart, and like there are new listing channel of Bitcoin cryptocurrency that you can invest your money. Even the one that already grow, the one that want to grow, like it's good for you if you want to invest on Bitcoin. Like now that Bitcoin is very low, you can buy and keep. Maybe next 2 months the thing will start rising and you see your gain. Like we are serving, and people that is some people are students, you can save, then doing your like if you want to pay your school fees, and you can withdraw the money and pay your school fees. But I'm not telling you, if your parents give you money for you to go and pay your school fees, you go and use it for Bitcoin. Maybe that period that you invest that money, then the thing will go down immediately. So maybe the money that you want to use by yourself, the money that for your feeding money, you can use it and invest on Bitcoin. If you're a businessman, you can start a Bitcoin, like save money on Bitcoin. Like just bring out like 200k and put it in Bitcoin, and you'll see that Bitcoin will give you millions of money. Like Bitcoin is not a scam. It's a place that you can invest money. It's a place that you can, like people use it for trading. Like every day you see your money and you can withdraw your money. It's not a scam business. It's not a scam. So I know that people have met the wrong people. You can use like 5,000 naira, you can use like 2,000 naira, you can use 1,500, you can use 10,000, you can use 50, you can use 20, you can use $10, $5, $50, $100, 200. It depends the one that you can use $25. It depends the amount that you want and you can buy. So crypto reference, one of the best way for you to earn profit with Bitcoin is crypto reference. There are a few online platforms where you can earn Bitcoin by simple sharing and link their URL. When you share their URL, maybe someone can click on the URL and register, and you still earn money from it with as many people as you can, like many people as you can, and you can invest your money there and rate, like if the person register in that platform, and they will still pay you because you refer someone on the platform. So there are many, but the best way is for you to use your money and invest. The last video that I uploaded, how to make money online, I'm seeing so many people talking about Bitcoin on the comments. I say wow, like people really know about this Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is very real. Some people are asking whether Bitcoin is not a scam, Bitcoin is not like this. No, you can make money through Bitcoin. You can invest your money there. Don't use your money to buy clothes, don't use your money to buy a phone, buy smartphone, posting, buying alcohol, doing so many things, go to a club, useless in the money. Like I'm giving you advice for you to useless the money. It's better that you invest it. I see so many people during that time that Bitcoin is raining. Some people use like 1,000 naira and now they are enjoying it. So come online, even though you don't have any, you are looking for where to the agent that you want to buy the Bitcoin from. I can give you a contact that you can make your money, and it's real. Bitcoin are real. Go ask many people about it. You can see they have offices where you can buy the Bitcoin. They have for office, they have shop. Like ask, just go online, search the graphic, like the map where there is shop for people that are selling Bitcoin. You see the people, and on during working periods you go there and invest, and make sure that they send you your Bitcoin on your phone. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop. It's the app. You can download Binance, you can download Trust Wallet. There are very many ways, the app that you can use and invest your money. Like me, I'm using both my Binance and Trust Wallet, and it's really working for me to invest and save my money there. Like me, I'm not doing business, but it's what I'm using for me to survive here that I'm serving. If I don't see money to eat, I'll just call my agent that I want to send my Bitcoin. I'll send the link, the money to him. He will give me the raw money to my account. I'll use it and sustain myself. I use it to buy card for YouTube, because YouTube is to upload video like so. I hope you guys really understand why Bitcoin is real. Bitcoin is real. It's very, very real. So thank you so much for your support. Try to test this thing that I'm telling you. Really enjoy it, but don't believe that you always benefit. Sometimes you lose, but what I know that your money will not go. Your money will remain there. Then later, if the thing is increasing, your money will increase. You will enjoy too. So I really thank you so much for your support. God bless you. I hope this video makes sense.